everyone. So today I gonna tell you the 5 things that make it easier for me to study. First, this table lamp. We all know that good light is very important for studies, and by reading in good light, the fear of damage to our eyes also reduces. These ear plugs. Literally, guys, it is my daily need because sometimes there's a little noise all around me, so it's very useful for me. So I am a very organized person. I don't like mess, especially on my study table. So when I sit to study, I organized all the things which is spoiled by me while studying. Next, when I sit to study, I sit with all things which are going to work for me, like subject notebook, NCRT, sticky notes, stationeries, so that I do not have get up again and again. So we all know that table chair is best for studies and it plays an important role because the concentration power on table chair is definitely more instead of any other place, and it also removes the comfort zone. So that's it for today's video, and if you want to give any suggestions then please comment below. Bye everyone.